Okay, see question number 16. Let D belongs to real number and matrix A minus 2, 1, 5, 4 plus B, 2 plus sin theta, 2 sin theta minus D. See here, D and theta you don't know exactly. Theta range they have given, but exact value of theta you don't know. Sin theta minus 2, D, 2 plus 2D minus sin theta. Theta belongs to closed interval 0 to 2 pi. If the minimum value of the determinant is 8, that means see you have to find determinant in terms of theta and D, but exact value they are not giving, they are giving minimum value is 8. Then what is the value of D? Like they are asking. Okay, see two values will come range, but at least one value you have to keep. Let us see what will happen in that. See here directly you cannot find this determinant, it is going to become cumbersome. Okay, see. Elimination method steps you think in your brain how to do and all. See, I am seeing at least two elements in one row. If you make zeros, first try to make one element is 0. Then afterwards we will try to make another element 0. Then two elements are 0 means you can find determinant easily. That determinant we will equate it to 8 minimum value. Okay. More than this I cannot say anything. Why? Because see, at one go I can write, I know the answer, but you are going to get confusion. How we are proceeding simple to complex, you observe carefully. See what I want to say. At one step I am not able to make this 0. What I do, see row 1 and row 3 if you compare, minus 2 plus 2 minus sin theta plus sin theta are there. That means if you add these two and put in row 1, then this is going to become 0, or else in the next step. Why? Because 2D may come, after we will try to solve and make it 0. Okay, see what I am doing. I am changing in R1. What is the change in first step? First step I am changing R1 plus R3. That's all. These two changes I am making. Okay, see what I am doing. R1 only changing, that is why R2, R3 there is no change. R1, R3, R2, R3 I am writing same. Okay, see 1, 5, 2 plus sin theta, 2 sin theta minus D, 2 plus 2D minus sin theta. Okay, okay, see. First row, second row, third row intact. Why? Because we are changing only in R1. See R1, what change we are making? R1 plus R3. Minus 2 plus 5, 3. Okay? See 4 plus D minus D. Plus D minus D going to get cancelled out. 4 plus 2 sin theta. Okay? Now see, plus sin theta minus sin theta going to get cancelled out. Plus 2 minus 2 going to get cancelled out. If you add, then 2D will come here. 2D, that's all. Okay? This is first step. Next step what I will do, to equate this is 0. See, R1 minus 2R2. 2D minus 2D going to 0 and I am writing in R1 only. See what I am writing now. R1 only I am changing. What I am changing? R1 minus 2 R2. 2D minus 2 into D. 2D minus 2D, 0. This is going to become 0. Okay? So R1 only I am changing again. That means R1, R2 and R3 same intact. I am writing same intact is 2. 1, 5, 2 plus sin theta, 2 sin theta minus D. 2 plus 2D minus sin theta. Okay. Now go for this thing. R1 minus 2 R2. 3 minus 2 into 1. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay. See 4. See real number and sign. Separately we will subtract. 4 minus 2 into 2. 4. 4 minus 4. 0. You need not write 0. 2 sin theta minus 2 into sin theta. 2 sin theta minus 2 sin theta. 0. That means see, we were trying to make this as 0, but automatically this is also become 0. Okay. Now 2d minus 2 into d. 2d minus 2d 0. Now can we find determinant easily? Why? Because see AD minus BC easily right off. Determinant. Now see delta is equal to 1 into, I am not writing, not required. You see 2 plus sine theta into 2 plus 2d minus sine theta minus d into 2 sine theta minus d. Okay? This is determinant, that is equal to, see 2 into 2 4 plus 4d minus 2 sine theta, okay, 2 sine theta, 2d sine theta minus sine square theta, okay, minus 2d sine theta minus minus plus d square. Okay. Now any cancellations are there? You see minus 2 sine theta plus 2 sine theta cancel out, plus 2d sine theta minus 2d sine theta also you cancel out. Okay. Now you write 4 plus 4d, okay, minus sine plus d square minus sine square theta. Okay, that is equal to, see what is it? 2 plus 3 whole square minus sine square theta. Is it okay? First you see. Why? Because see a square 4, b square d square, 2 into 2 into d 4d. Okay. Now this is equal to 0, but see minimum value. So this is equal to 8, but minimum value of this implies minimum value is equal to 8. See, you tell me one thing, when it is going to become minimum value? Sin theta. Why? Because see d value you are finding, but sin theta value you have to approximate, estimate. But because both values you cannot find at one equation, with one equation. D value they are asking, d value if you want to find, then theta value you should know. Okay, this value you know, but the theta value you should know. How you are going to find theta value? Don't find theta value. You see, here minimum value they are asking. You tell me now, see x minus y is equal to 2. For minimum value, what is the value of x? If something they ask means y value should be maximum. When y value is maximum, x minus maximum value will give this one. Okay? Because negative symbol, subtraction, negative, minus. Okay? Then only it is going to happen. What is the sin theta value maximum? 1. Okay? 1. That means, see, for minimum value, sin theta should be maximum, implies sin theta is equal to 1. Okay. Now I am reviewing the question, not question, full question, because these options let it be. The value of d they are asking. Okay. The value of d they are asking. Okay. See, sin theta 1, then maximum value sin theta is 1 only. 1 square. 1 only. That means see 2 plus d whole square minus 1 is equal to 8. Okay. Actually we need not do this one. Okay, you see, that means see 8 if you send this side automatically 9. That means see 4 plus d square plus 4d minus 9 equal to 0. Is it okay? 4 plus 4d plus d square minus 1, 8 comes as minus 8. Minus 8 plus minus 8 minus 1 minus 9. Okay. See 4 minus 9, 5. That means see d square plus 4d minus 5 equal to 0. Okay. Now see 1 into minus 5 minus 5 and 4 has to come. How it is going to come 4? 5 into 1 is 1. 4 plus 4 means 5 into minus 1. minus 5, 5 minus 1 is 4. That means see reverse symbol. D is equal to minus 5, D is equal to plus 1. Okay? Okay? Now see, actually these two answers are correct, but in our options two answers may not be there. A value, that means one value. 7 is not correct, minus 5 is correct, but plus 1 is there? No. That means these answers are not correct. Understand? Okay? Now we will try to solve some more questions in the forthcoming classes. Thank you very much.